In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall 360 Total Security on Windows 11. Before we begin, make sure you've saved any important work and closed any programs you don't need. This helps the uninstall process go more smoothly and can prevent your system from slowing down while we're working. First, we need to open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this by clicking the Start button on your taskbar, then selecting the gear icon if you see it, or simply typing Settings into the search bar and pressing Enter. Once Settings opens, look over to the left-hand side and click on Apps. This is where Windows keeps a list of all the applications installed on your computer. Next, click on Installed Apps. You'll now see a full list of the programs currently on your system. This list can be long, so to make things easier, use the search box at the top of this page. Type 360 Total Security into that search box. Windows will filter the list and show you the program if it's installed. When you see 360 Total Security in the list, look to the right of its name. You should see 3 dots or an Options button. Click that, then select Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this app. Go ahead and click Uninstall again to continue. At this point, the 360 Total Security Uninstaller will open. Follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked if you're sure you want to uninstall the program, and sometimes it may ask for a reason or offer to repair instead. Choose the option to completely remove or uninstall. If you see any options related to keeping user data or leftover files, you can usually uncheck them if you want a cleaner removal. But be aware this may delete settings or quarantined items associated with the program. Let the uninstaller run. This may take a few minutes, and your screen might flicker, or the mouse might pause briefly while files are being removed. Once it's finished, you should see a confirmation that the uninstall is complete. Close any remaining windows. To be thorough, it's a good idea to restart your computer after uninstalling security software. A restart helps Windows clear out any leftover components that were still in memory. After your PC boots back up, you can return to the installed apps list and search for 360 Total Security again to confirm it's gone. And that's all you need to do to uninstall 360 Total Security on Windows 11.